Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. We are doing a hop today for our Stamp of the Month Club, and we are hopping along for a $25 gift certificate to the shop. So every month on the 7th, we will be doing a hop for the Stamp of the Month so you can get some inspiration. The Stamp of the Month is a stamp club. You can choose either the Stamp of the Month or the Stamp and Die of the Month. So for the Stamp and Die, you'll get the coordinating die for the stamp set. You get 18% off when you join the club. You can also purchase this as a one-time purchase, you just won't get the discount. And to join the club, you need to click on the drop-down menu and choose monthly for your frequency. So you'll get your stamp shipped every 30 days. The link for that will be in the description box. This is a hashtag-driven hop, so use the hashtag Macaron Pets to find all the videos in this hop. So I created two really cute cards for this hop. So this is the first one that I created, a really cute slimline card. And I used the 3 characters and I kind of colored these up in pastel colors. I wanted them to be very light and cute. And I did use the sentiment, "You make me happy," that comes with this set. And the paper in the background is from one of our mini releases. So that was the Hot Cocoa Love paper. I topped this card off with some sequins. To cut the center, I did use an MFT die that has stitching around those little squares. And then for the second card here I made, this is a really cute one. I followed our mood board. So we are having monthly challenges and we moved those challenges from our Scrap and Stampers group over to our blog. So if you go click on our blog, you'll see the monthly challenges there. We have a link party so you can link up your card. And by entering, you have a chance to win a $15 gift certificate to the shop. So really fun challenge. Use the mood board to get inspiration. This is what I came up with. In the background, I have these beautiful snowflakes. This is from our Snow Flurries background stencil that was in a previous mini release. And then the papers I used was from our box of the month for January. So super, super cute. I just colored him up to match the papers there. And then I have the pink flowers. So everything matches the mood board. So I think that's really cute and a fun, easy way to come up with a card. So if you're like stumped, it's a great challenge just to get inspiration from the colors or the photos in the mood board. I have a little banner here, and then I did top it off with 3 little rhinestones. And then the sentiment, "Thanks for being so sweet," from the stamp set. So this is a really fun stamp set. This will sell out quickly. To guarantee you'll get a Stamp of the Month, sign up for our club. Then you're guaranteed to get that stamp every 30 days until you cancel. So have fun on this hop. I hope you enjoy the inspiration, and I will post the winner to the hop on my community tab here on YouTube, or you can always go back and click the Rafflecopter link to see who the winner is. So for the hop, please stop on each video in the hop, use the hashtag Macaron Pets to find all the videos in this hop. Leave a comment, like, subscribe if you wish, and then come back to the Rafflecopter link to enter into the giveaway. So thanks for hopping along, guys, and I'll catch you real soon. Bye, guys.